Meet Dan, a Collingwood homeowner with a wet basement. Every time it rains or snows and melts, he's on edge. Will his basement flood? Will the sump pump do its job? What if it dies? How will he even know? He imagines the mess, the stress, the cost of cleanup and rebuild. Insurance may not cover it. Dan wants to protect his home. What if there were innovative solutions to protect his property? There are. Dan's taking part in a pilot project that helps Collingwood homeowners reduce the risk of flooding on their property and their neighbors. Now Dan's property is protected from water-related damage. Smart, internet-connected rain cisterns and a rain garden are helping, and they replace his old sump pump with a state-of-the-art new one for free. Dan loves his new smart, internet-connected sump pump. Dan can monitor pump performance on his phone, tablet, or desktop anytime, anywhere. He receives text and email alerts describing any pump issues and how to fix them. Talk about peace of mind. Dan's neighbors with wet basements have signed up for the Collingwood Smart Stormwater Pilot Project. It's free to eligible households in Collingwood. Do you want to reduce the risk of your basement flooding? Sign up for the Collingwood Smart Stormwater Pilot Project today.